Do you want to order goods from online stores in Europe and the USA and have everything delivered to your country? Check out the Meest Shopping service instructions and learn how to buy and deliver from those online stores that do not have direct delivery to your country. Step 1. How to sign up for the Meest Shopping web office. To sign up for the Meest Shopping web office, click on Registration and select the web version registration method. Enter your email address, select your country and click Create Account. Go to the mail, open the letter and click Confirm, create a password and click Next, enter your first name, last name and click Sign In. Congratulations, you are now in the Meest Shopping web office. Now, in the upper right corner, select your profile and fill in all the necessary information: country, city, zip code, street, house and apartment number, phone number, enter your password and click Save. Now enter your date of birth, choose the language for the letters, your gender and click Save. Now you have a personal ID number and addresses of foreign warehouses to which you can deliver your online purchases. Step 2. How to make a purchase in a foreign online store. Choose an online store and sign up with it. For convenience, go to the Meest Shopping web office to the Addresses section and select Meest Addresses. Find the country in which you will buy and copy the necessary data. Enter your first name with ID number, last name, add your email address and create a password. After registering, select the products you want to buy and add them to your cart. When placing an order, go back to the Addresses and Meest Addresses section and copy all the data. Add your first name with ID number, last name, phone number and warehouse address in the country of purchase. After filling in all the data, pay for the purchase. After the online store transfers your order to the delivery service, you will receive a tracking number from the online store to your email address, which you need to register in the Meest Shopping web office. Important. For goods from online stores in Spain and Portugal, you need to register the order number. It is generated after payment of the order and is available on your email address. Step 3. How to register a tracking number in the Meest Shopping web office. To register the tracking number or order number of the goods in the Meest Shopping web office, in the Orders tab, click on Packages and select Add New Package. Select the country of shipment to which your order is addressed. Enter the tracking number or order number received from the online store. Select the Click and Send option if you want to send the goods immediately upon arrival at our warehouse, without combining them with other goods. Next, click on Add Product, specify the product category, unit price, and quantity, add notes if necessary and click Save. As soon as your order arrives at our warehouse, you will receive a notification and will be able to arrange the shipment to your country. Important. For goods from online stores in Spain and Portugal, you need to register the order number. It is generated after payment of the order and is available on your email address. Step 4. How to register the recipient's address in your country in the Meest Shopping web office. In the Meest Shopping web account, select the Addresses section, then Recipient Addresses and click Add Address. Enter the name of the address and select the country. Next, select the courier delivery method and click Next. After selecting the courier delivery method, provide all the necessary information. Be sure to specify the city, specify the street name, house number, apartment number, and zip code. Enter the recipient's details, such as name, surname, and phone number. Now, click Create. Step 5. How to create and send a parcel to your country from the Meest Shopping web office. In the Meest Shopping web account, select the Order section and choose Packages, and then select the products you want to send to your country. You can send one or more items at once. Click Create Shipment. Next, you need to select the previously created recipient's address, delivery type, payment method, and optionally select additional services, add personal notes, and add, if necessary, insurance. Be sure to confirm that you understand that all shipments, including the minimum clearance cost, are subject to customs clearance and payment of customs duties, and that the parcel does not contain any goods prohibited for international shipment. And click Ship. To optimize the process of customs control, you can add additional documents, invoice from store and bank statement. This will reduce the waiting time by several days. After, you will receive an email with the details of the shipment. After that, expect a letter about the processing of the shipment by the warehouse staff. Step 6. How to pay for the delivery service from the Meest Shopping web office. In the Meest Shopping web account, go to the payment section, select one of your parcels and click Pay. Enter the promo code, if any, and click Pay. Fill in the payment card details, card number, card expiration date, CVV code, first name, last name and email, and click Pay. Congratulations! The payment has been successfully completed. Wait for the parcel to arrive.